Something's missing. Maybe add the Nicky factor. Factor. The Nicky factor.
You cannot reason with a tiger when your head in its honorable. Aha! Welcome to the episode. This episode is sponsored to you by my mom going to her mom's house. Yeah, that's right. And my dad might knock any time now, so we have so less. We gotta clock it. Okay, first things first. मेरे आंखों के okay, there is this exercise. Okay, whenever you are anxious or whenever you're pouring out a chat like, daddy chill, chill, daddy chill, and be like, you names 5 things that you can see in front of your eyes, and 5 things that you can touch, and 5 things मैं भूल गई जो है. तो first thing that I see is, as you guys know, I am a avid, regular, most. Ek minute, I'm running out of adjectives. So that of cornflakes. In the age of gold flakes, I know I prefer Marlboro. अबे Indie Mint, but cornflakes, gold flakes, because you know the rhyme scheme. Okay, so last time they did a great job. I have to appreciate my parents that I have raised them. See, like, after you become 20 years old, it is just you paling your parents. Like, तुम लोग पालते हो, like वो लोग, it's a thing that no one discusses. Once you're a certain age, exactly around like 21 to 22, your parents are your kids. So I want to say that they did a tremendous job last time, and they found Kellogg's वाला जो OG cornflakes है वो, and it was like a saver pack or something, which is very good because नई चीज़ ले रहे हो तो तुम थोड़ा पैच टेस्टिंग करने की ज़रूरत है. Yes, girls do burp. पता नहीं कौन सी stereotype है. I'm so sorry, because I'll be mindful. I'll be demure. So this time they bought Nutri-Delight one. I think Nutri-Delight का oats भी लाए थे ये लोग. But my dad asked me, like, so there is this Nutri-Delight almond and honey. So when he said almond, I was like, sure, are you kidding me? Like, cornflakes के साथ almond आ रहा है, and I kind of missed the fact that honey होता है. When I checked the ingredients, honey was the third thing, and it is only 1.86%. What do you mean it's 1.86%? What do you mean? Like, what is this false marketing? Like, when you say cornflakes, honey and almond, I assume it is a equal partnership. Okay? Everyone have unlimited liability. Okay, no one is gonna get this joke because oh shit. So, but either it's like, corn grits 59.1%. Sugar. Next thing is sugar. You the only sugar that I like is sugar mom. Wait, why did I say mom? Oh my god, because I like to, oh my god, I'm just okay, the next thing is, you know what, Tata water bottle के पीछे अगर ingredients है तो I'm literally gonna lose all my trust. Ingredients, what do you mean? Packaged drinking water, copper gluconate, 0.00035%. That is exactly the amount of listeners that I have. What do you mean? My listeners are equivalent to copper gluconate percentage in Tata Copper Plus with the goodness of Cooper. Water-based beverage. It is water-based beverage. It is not water bottle. What do you mean? Like, आपके दिमाग में क्या चलता है जब like I don't get marketing guys marketing like हमारे एक सब्जेक्ट है पप्पा आ गया say hi say hi hi Appu
Hi.
hi
Hi.
hi what do you mean it has ingredients so so there's this subject called strategic management जिसमें एक like when you are doing vision and mission statements, so your mission statement is supposed to be a little marketing, okay? It should be market oriented, like you can't just say कि like when it comes to like let's just say beauty product, like you can't say कि हम cosmetics बेचते हैं, नहीं. In the retail house store we sell hope, we change lifestyles, we make the girls look confident, slay. तो ऐसे बोलनी चाहिए है ना. Water based beverage, really? It's water bottle. What do you mean water bottle? Okay, you want me to British? It's water. It's literally water, consisting of water. Let me read out what are the other is it? Wait, I'm getting so many doubts. But I don't feel as safe as ChatGPT. Like I don't think anyone can make me feel safe as ChatGPT ever. I can be dumb as fuck. And I won't judge. It will like, you know what, clack it, girl. You will like, it will like, I'm so glad. And so like, most of the people won't even like, talk this out. Damn. And it has iris salt in it. Okay. There is this movie called Kalijana. It's a Mahesh Babu movie, which is very good movie. जब मैं छोटी थी मुझे जब छोटी थी तो सिर्फ सीन्स देखे मैंने, लेकिन मुझे मीनिंग और लॉजिक और उसका कुछ आइडिया भी नहीं था. And I've been grown up with classic Telugu movies. Okay, तो मैं जब बड़ी हो रही थी और मैं जब हिंदी देखना शुरू करी और और थोड़ी फाइटिंग जैकी चैन मूवीज़ देखती थी मैं, ब्रूसली मूवीज़ देखती थी. So that was different. But so there's this movie called Kaleja. And this में वो ऑर्डर करता है no fat, no sugar, no cholesterol, no oil. इवన్నీ లేకుండా ఏమైనా ఉంటే పట్టుకురా, లైక్ ये सब के बिना जो भी है वो ला करके एक ढाबे में. So he brings a glass of water. So I'm gonna read that chart which you have energy, protein, what is it called, nutrition values. Okay, we got exactly, nutrition. Yeah, nutritional information, approximate value per 100 milliliters per serve person RDA. So energy is 0, protein is 0, carbohydrate 0, total sugar is 0, added sugar is 0, total fat 0, sodium 0. So if as nitrogen is present in the air, ever since I was a kid, it was right there, guys. It was right there. What do you want me to do? So sodium is in every खाने का substance, even in water. What, okay, I'll shut up, okay? Copper is 0.05 mg. Non-carbonated water-based beverage. What? Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, it is non-carbonated. That I get it. But water-based beverage is so funny. Beverage? Like, what do you mean? So is there a Fasai print or something that you can't, if you're adding at least one ingredient, you can't name it as water itself? Never in my wildest thoughts. paper in my pocket. I need that fuel inside my rocket. That stuff. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, why did I came to Port? Because I was bored. Oh, also, when I was checking the anatomy, like, मैं कभी मेरी YouTube को लेके obsessed नहीं होती. Okay, I'm like not like that. Oh my god. It's like, do your art and let the world decide if they wanna take a look or not. Okay? So put it out. Let it reach to people. And I just discovered something. Okay, first thing is that 10 महीने पहले, I think for the second episode, there was this hate comment. And I'm seeing this now. So, okay, like, it did, like, when I saw the comment, obviously I had to come up with a comeback, and I put, like, I replied. But a day later I realized, wait. So you are telling me that organically my podcast has reached into other people's feed. For a moment I was like, how is that a hate comment? That is a sign of me becoming famous. Like, don't talk to me normal. Address me with proper, what do you say, tags, name tags. Like, Mademoiselle, yeah, Senorita. No, not Senorita. ना मैं समझा Senorita. Yeah. So, but then I realized कि एक मिनट ये मेरे सारे जो subscribers थे, the only I can't really, sometimes I remember like how crazy I use Snapchat. Now I'm like, अब मुझे Instagram यूज़ करने में ये nauseatic feeling आते हैं. Now like, I'm on Substack these days. I'm on Substack and Pinterest and YouTube. YouTube is like, YouTube is like, अच्छी amount of social media है वो. Like, it doesn't make you feel nauseatic. So it's like you can watch. I'm just like, walking on eggshells because my dad just came out of a bath. Yeah. Okay. Also, yeah, a lot to talk about we have here. Like, इतना amount of food है, but I'm on diet. So this is exactly like, in terms of content also. There's just so much amount of foods, but मुझे नहीं चाहिए ये सब content. I realized that everyone wants to say about everything, including me. And I realized how my accent changed over years. Like, my accent is very Indian now, okay? Very Indian, very palpable, and very, like, normal. Very normal. No, I don't think, like, if this accent is getting any criticism, I don't know which accent will not. Very well. Because I, like, it's kind of, I used to have a crazy accent when I was in school. It was like, जो भी वीडियो में देखती थी, like, जो भी English वाली accent वाली videos देखती थी, वो सारी, I'm highly influenced. That's why I want my content to be something that even if I get influenced, it would be good. और क्या आता मेरी algorithm में algorithm. I think this sounds too drunk, I guess. Oh, while we are on drunk, let me actually have some water. भाई कितना धूप है आजकल. Like, when the first shower happened, बेबी शावर नहीं है. Like when the first shower in Hyderabad happened, it made sure that Hyderabad डूब जाए. Okay. And like उसके बाद एक 3-4 दिन लगे दूसरी शावर के लिए. उसके बाद और एक हफ्ता लगा थर्ड वाले पे. तो you understand like पहले में like you see this moments and you fall into relationship and then later you keep expecting those which will never happen. You're just frustrated, humid, danger. And these are the light purgul bre. Okay, now I also don't know what I was talking. I just came on terrace. Where is the other star? I saw 2 stars. Where is the other star? India? So Chatty told me something कि ये जो लाइट को जो इसको क्या बोलूँ मैं, light flies. It sounds like light is flying. So जो भी flies which are like they think like moon को लेके चलते हैं ये बेचारे. They got tricked by lights, but the onset of them is a sign that you're gonna get rain soon, or like you're gonna get monsoon. Yeah. Unexpectedly, today turned out to be my rest day after a week. या मेरी वीक में 6 दिन है. मैं I make my rules, okay? You don't make my rules, I make my rules. Cheat day, yeah. This day I'm allowed to cheat in everything, okay? Although I don't have many genres to cheat in. Very limited. Only meals. And that too I already cheated. I see who said people will not change. People will not change. Their choices, their behavior, and their realizations that, oh fuck, I was a dumb. Like how dumb can be? Like I let other people choose choices for me. पता नहीं मेरी voice क्यों squeak हो जाती है. That's why I don't even dare. Like I can't. I just. I feel like मेरी सर्दी वापस आ गई है. I think last time मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही jinx करी कि मेरी आवाज़ बहुत like top notch condition में है. Now this time is like तू जा अपनी humility में. Like God is like तो humility किधर है आपकी? I always used to get क्या बोलते हैं, confused between hostile. It's not hospitalized, but it's like there was something which sounded similar with hostile. Hostility, humility. Wait, these are called something like, right? When no, they are not called. Just like getting confused. Senorita. Oh, back to the topic of subscribers. So I was checking key analytics, right? And I got to know that there are 56% female listeners. I know my mom won't listen to me, but 56. I thought male percentage will be more, but turns out 43% male and 56% female. Guys, wait, what? I was actually surprised. And so the last video, so my friend who is always like if I ever need hype, I go check her chats. Okay, that makes me believe in myself ki oh my god, I'm that, I'm the it girl. Yes, I'm that girl. Yeah. So she commented saying that the first view is mine. I was like, not about her, but in general, oh my god, that's a fat ass lizard. I saw this lizard yesterday. Lizard can't be pregnant. Oh wait, let me check. I think they can. I'm like, why not? Can lizards be pregnant? So when lizard is technically gravid when carrying eggs or truly pregnant if the species give birth to young ones, it's a viviparous. But I want to know कि look for sudden swollen abdomen, changes in appetite. अबे मुझे कैसे पता चलता उसके अभी तुझे changes in appetite है? वो कुछ नहीं बोल रही. And restless nesting behavior like intense digging. But एक minute, weren't lizards like wait what? Wait. What is it called? Do lizards this the process I can't remember, so I'm typing any fucking thing because I trust in Google. Yeah. Why is it so dumu bro? It's so like dusty. मुझे like love is in the air. बहन so dusty is in the air. इतनी dust है क्यों? कहाँ से आ रहा है ये? So lizards grow from their entire bodies during development. Not अबे मेरी yeah, the tail generation is not something that I was asking about. I was asking about there's this like some reptiles can like just take birth from a single part that got separated, right? यही से टाइप करना था मुझे. Yeah, I forgot that I'm doing a podcast. I'm recording a podcast. I'm not gonna edit this. Why do you think I don't edit? Do you think it's lack of skills? I'm like, talk about yourself. Do you think it's a lack of patience and I don't know how to edit? No, I do know how to edit. But I'm teaching you, in the era of editing, this is something in the era of intoxication. Let me be the क्या बोलते उसको क्या बोलते हैं a let out of what do you say outlet a lane, a narrow path of detox. क्या होगा लेकिन 2 महीने वेट करोगे तो क्या होगा? No lizards can grow into a new individual from a separate body part. If a tail or leg, any other piece of a lizard is cut off, the separated part will simply die. All my life was a lie. It does not possess the organs, life support system, or specific types of stem cells required to grow a brain, heart, or a brand new body. But it happens, right? The biological concept you're thinking of is common in other animals. You see, but it works differently in reptiles. Okay, where does the actual phenomena happen? I used to get what is phenomenon? ये कौन सी मलयालम वाली सरनेम है जो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही है. Only मीना नहीं है. हाँ. But now I know. The ability of a single separated piece to grow into a whole new animal is called exactly fission. It's जहाँ मैं भूल गई भाई. Fragmentation. हाँ. वो कौन चिल्ला रहा? उसको आमची वाली ऑफर आ रही क्या? we tried आमची वाली ऑफर. By the time we hopped into the trend itself hopped away. This is a form of asexual production. Let's go. So when I was narrating my क्या बोलते menstruation related problems with ChatGPT, So it was asking me questions कि when was the last time you had like are you sure that like some pregnant relation. I'm like भैंचोद में क्या वो हो गया फ्लोरिडा वो एक फ्लावर रहती थी एक बायोलॉजी में जो like असेक्सुअल और like खुद से रिप्रोड्यूस हो जाता है. मैं वो फ्लावर हो गया ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है. यू डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट पॉइंट. लेकिन तू बाकी के क्वेश्चंस पूछ मुझे. Yeah, starfish, but strictly limited to primitive or simpler invertebrates. If a starfish loses an arm along with a piece of its central nerve disc, the single arm can grow an entire new starfish body. Flatworms, hydras. पहले क्या पूछ रहे थे अपन. Oh yeah, why regrowth happen? Researchers such as those studying the genetic recipe have found that lizards use unique genetic pathways to rebuild complex tissues like nerves, muscles, and cartilage. Because of this genetic makeup, some lizards can even accidentally grow an extra tail if the original was damaged but not fully broken off. Wow, मुझे भी चाहिए. I don't want the tail, but I'm like हड्डी तोड़िया तो no, yeah, bone नहीं है, सिर्फ nerves, cartilages, and muscles. My brother would have been my brother would have been done better if if he was a lizard. But I know he's a snake. I'm wondering why is he not able to recover his. What is it? उसका क्या टूटा? कुछ तो टूटा उसका. I remember my brother bawling out once, one breaking down, and my mom is like, "Mat ro." That is the best about it. She was like, "क्या हुआ बोल के रो रहा? क्यों रो रहा? क्यों रो रहा?" My I mean there are so many classic mom behavior stuff that my mom says too. But the favorite out of those is whenever we say कि ये दर्द हो रहा है नहीं तो ऐसा हो रहा है नहीं तो वो ऐसा हुआ, she will like ఎందుకు, she was like ఎందుకు, means like अब्बे कौन सुला रहा. She's like, oh my god, give this kid a lollipop, man. I'm so sorry. I'm as annoyed and irritated as you are. Kids are cute. Kids are all unless it is not my kid, unless it's my kid, unless it is not my. Okay, the negative sentences confuses me a lot, and this is what happens. This is what happens in law, in in all the laws that I'm studying. ये negative तो मैं क्या समझूँ इसको? Yeah, Now next time, any of you guys who are listening, if you ever get into a relationship, make sure it is a contract. It's a legal contract. Okay, which will, agar wo tutta, if any of the one have, fuck, I forgot the word. अरे उसको breach, yeah. If any of the person breached, okay, and not fulfill the terms, they'll get that is the best. पहले ही सोचो. So now the other person who is trying to find the loopholes. Now I can be on both sides. I can be Allu Arjun of Rudramadevi. Ada unta, ida unta. So I'm like, why did I say that line? It only sounds good when I say that to myself in my mind space that but now that I say that out loud, it doesn't sound as cool as I thought it would be. It's so cringe. Okay. What was the initial conversation? I completely forgot. Now that I'm on terrace, do you want me to look at things and talk about them? Yeah, I was मैं Substack में पढ़ रही थी कि कुछ नहीं, मैं क्यों बोलूँ, मैं अपनी फीड क्यों शेयर करूँ आपके साथ. I don't think we are that close. Okay. Yeah, but like in between, in the days between the episodes, I was like, मैं कुछ ज़्यादा information share नहीं कर रही. This is so unfair for me. If I'm talking to a person who listens to my podcast but who pretends that they don't listen to the podcast, although I'm like, my human interaction is like it's like in Antarctica they have better human interaction. Yes, one photographer, one wildlife photographer will be interacting with one person who is like, with a nuclear gas prepare कर रहा है वो. Yeah, I didn't fact check, so shut up and listen. Okay, you got the point, no? And I was like, ये लोग क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में? लोगों की काम है सोचना. All that shit works, but like कभी कभी consciousness तो आती ना कि अबे ये लेकिन इसके हॉन्ग से बात कर रहा है क्या? हाँ, annoying behavior. Oh my god. Okay, in the defense of uncle, उन्होंने 2 बच्चे बट टॉडलर्स को बिठा के चला रहे so they just discovered the horn. They're just like beeping it like ऐसे like beep. So okay, अर्जुन बाहर तो नहीं आ रहा. This is how easily I can get diverted. This is why I don't even indulge in like the fights. मुझे like मैं बीच आर्ग्यूमेंट पीक आर्ग्यूमेंट में मेरी जो पूरी स्ट्रेंथ और मेरी जो पूरी like लेजीनेस एंड लेथार्जी जस्ट किक्स इन. like कुछ भी बोल दो यार. मुझे फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता. मुझे like फ़र्क पड़ता है बट आई एम जस्ट टू लेजी टू like have a rebuttal for that argument. This is why I lose arguments. It's so frustrating, beach sentence में like beach sentence I'm like so fucking lazy. So annoying. Yeah, you must take a lot of your strength, man. Like you have to require a very 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 negative space, man. I'm like person who can like argue a lot without stopping. So I heard this quote, hurt people है ना? I can hear Arjun but I can't see him. I just want to see him. But अगर वो बाहर आए तो भी मुझे दिखेगा नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं स्पेक्स नहीं लाई ऊपर. Yes. आई रियलाइज़ कि लाइक एटलीस्ट देर टाइम मेरी साइड बहुत कम होती थी तो पता नहीं मैं स्पेक्स क्यों पहन रही थी. बट अब तो लाइक स्पेक्स इज़ नीडेड फॉर मी. लाइक नो मैटर इफ़ यू आर ऑन हिमालयस और समथिंग दैट वुडंट बी यू वुड जस्ट बी लाइक इट वुड बी सेम लाइक मी वॉचिंग इन द फ्रॉम द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन. क्योंकि बहन जी मुझे दिखता नहीं. तुम नो मैटर लाइक कितना भी अच्छा व्यू दिखा दो तुम मुझे दिखेगा नहीं. और अगर दिख रहा तो भी आई रियलाइज़ कि लेकिन इतना जो एवोपरेशन इतना जो मॉइस्चर है और इतना जो धूल धाड़ कुछ भी है इन लाइक ये जो हवा में वो पूरा मेरी ग्लासेस पे आकर चिपकती है. My brother makes this lame joke whenever I talk about my iron deficiency. Like magnet nahi chipkega. Oh my god. So I have this like I call them as like he himself gave me an insecurity and he himself like I don't know how is that an insecurity. I'll tell you. Okay. I realized after growing up कि most of the like मुझे नहीं है इनसिक्योरिटीज़. आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड वेरी मुझे घंटा नहीं है मुझे कुछ नहीं है. बट माई ब्रदर मेक्स मी वांट फील लाइक ये तेरी इनसिक्योरिटीज़ है और तू फील क्यों नहीं कर रही है करके. आई लव इट व्हेन ही गेट अनॉयड कि मैं अनॉयड नहीं हो रही हूँ. लव रेज बाय द रेज बेटर. येस that's the strategy. It's called reverse psychology. But I'm just lazy guys. I'm just like मुझे involve ही नहीं होनी है. Like I'm very simple. Like अगर like people are, I like people, I'll be with that people. I don't like people, I cut them off my life and history. I don't need that energy. I feel like this was okay. So I'm kind of conscious because I thought like I thought only I do paisa vasool from my terrace. The amount of time that I spend on terrace by just like loading like a Google Chrome ka loader, I just like keep walking. Yeah, which is mostly in the evening and night times. Yeah. तो मैं क्या बोल रही थी? Yeah, so he tells me that like I have this blackheads. I've got to know that these are called blackheads, and I've had this since my childhood, or maybe from puberty, okay, or like adolescence, okay. तो उसने बोला कि if there was a fine Japanese marker, because Japanese have the best stationery hands down. If you have arguments, talk to my hand, okay, and my hand will be really loud because the slap is loud, guys. What can I say? It's called one hand clap, okay. So that if we mark your nose like with it, that will be these. I'm like, thank you. I'm like, he's like, it's an insult, bastard. I'm like, how is that an insult? Like इतनी अच्छी like this is art. Literally, it's an art. How can मुझे पता नहीं कि ये मैं insult की तरह कैसे मानूँ. So every time they will like ये मैं बता ना तो joke like अगर मैं magnet लगाऊँ इसके अंदर, I mean इसके पास इसके पास तो like पूरा attract हो जाएगा. And now my cousin learned, oh my god, I miss him. I just like the realization. Like जब तक तुम्हें पता है कि like something is there, something is there, I can rely on that. Like if you are let's say तुम्हें what is the best example? I have an example in my mind, but I don't know if you guys can relate to it. Okay, only I don't want to make it really too real. Okay, I want to make it narreal. You get it, narreal? Because I'm South Indian. No, I'm Hyderabadi. मुझे लगता है कि Hyderabadi is like it's just combination of so many people together. I don't get it. Okay. ये normal BMI वाला lizard बाहर आया. Wait, maybe it is the same lizard. So I don't know how much voice you can hear or not. When I was watching Simple Ken, it is a podcast by Kenneth Sebastian. If you guys know old school Indian comic setup with around Tanmay but prime time. Kenny used to be when I was watching what is that? Comic Stan season 2. I think season 2 is the good season of all of the 3 Comic Stans. मैं third Comic Stan देखी भी नहीं. तो उसमें Kenneth sounds so weird now because we call him Kenny. Kenny don't know me, but I know Kenny. Okay. And when I was watching Simple Ken, उसका podcast है ये. So I used to think man, he don't have subtitles. अबे इसकी बाधा क्या है बे? क्यों चिल्ला रही है? इसको zoomies आ रहे क्या? By zoomies I remember Arjun. And by dogs I remember my cousin who is in hostel. Oh, I was going to say that point, right? So who is in hostel right now? Oh, I miss him so much. Because now that I know if I go to my mama's place, which I'll not in in a couple of months, till a couple of months. I think the next time I'll go is when मैं कभी ये बोलती हूँ, ये सेंटेंस बोलती हूँ कि अब अब हो गया, जितना विजिट्स करना है ये साल हो गया, उतने विजिट्स so I'm not gonna go करके, बट कुछ ना कुछ जैसे काम आता है, then I had to go. So yeah, so whenever I visit there and he won't be there and he'll be in hostel, and the next time we'll meet, maybe probably he'll come back. So his hostel is very strict and they don't allow, it's like a gurukul, okay. So they don't allow kids to come back to home very easily. So it's on major holidays. Major holidays in Telangana are for Dasera and Sankranti. So Dasera is in October या November. That's a lot of time. All मैं इधर ही रहती हूँ और उसे भी मैं समर हॉलीडेज में मिलती हूँ. But now that you know that he is not there, that will be increasing. When you what do you say? Okay, I got a better example. Okay, when you're in a relationship या friendship या कुछ भी ship, okay, and you know that person is there and you have access to that person, you can talk and on a normal basis, right? You don't get that abhi yaar I miss him or I miss her or I miss them. Yeah, I include LGBTQ because trans fat भी एक चीज़ होती है. I don't know what trans fat means, but I'm assuming that it's just inclusiveness of fats. So yeah, but now that after breakup or after कुछ भी ऐसे कुछ भी हो गया, huh? So then you will now that you know you don't have an access, that that is why post breakup hurt more, post breakup, yeah, that only. I was casually humming why did I have to? I could have beat that and then I could have just sing and you guys would still get it. I know I'm speaking so much galis. Oh my god, scandal. Yeah, I realized that I don't like Maggie anymore and I like Yippee. ये कुछ पगला जा रहा है. And yeah, I realized that I'm not a chips person anymore. I'm a kurkure person. Yes, tried and tested. And I'm not a chocolate ice cream girl anymore. I'm a coconut ice cream, Nariyal. And then I am not a chocolate person anymore. I am a cake wise cheesecake person. Yeah. Wow, that was a lot. Wow, such a changed human being I am. Just my preferences in junk food have changed. I want to know how, let's debate. You one-sided yoga. Not because I'm talking alone, but because I have quality points. Now we're in a game called Guess the Lizard. Is this pregnant or not? What if it's just fat? What if I remember I don't know who said it, but someone said my mom was so fat, my mom was pregnant but I thought she's just fat. I'm like, what? That is so mean, that is so rude. But some aunties do look. Okay, guys, very serious, very I don't know, how should I explain this? तो मैं रोज़ balcony में walk करती थी after when I done eating. So this is post meal walk, which is not intentional. मैं walking is अरे रहने दो यार, walk करती मैं. तो there's this auntie who was carrying that bawarchi wala cover every day. Bawarchi wala cover. I don't know where she lives. I don't know where she's going. All I know is she'll be on her phone and she has this neck stiffening what do you call the brace, that you keep on your neck, right? So she'll be on that brace and she's just daily consistently in 90. Okay, if you guys don't, if any North Indians are listening, maxi, okay, in the maxi, in a 90, I'm I'm just wondering, I'm but my take on that is what I thought initially. I know it's a normal day if I can see that auntie daily. No chaos is happening, nothing is happening, and it's just so nothing is happening. It's just maybe the boredom is a piece that you always wanted. बहन जो कुछ नहीं है, मुझे फ़र्क पड़ता है. Like, you know, मेरी meaning, I got a good dictionary जो, like, you know, boredom और peaceful का बहुत 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 difference है. I can still be, like, you know, the same broken person, the same, like, you know, issues are still revolving around my head and around my home and circumstances, but get bored because, like, you know, the situation is not improved, but at the same time I had to, like, you know, I don't have anything that is not stimulating me anymore. That is boredom. These Instagram quotations, aha. Yeah, wow, I got riled up, man. I didn't thought I would riled up. So back to the hate comment again. So that hate comment, man. So it clearly said no one wants to listen to this shit. Then I realized कि हाँ मैंने क्या भी बोला है, लेकिन मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि मैं क्या क्या बोल चुकी ताकि मैं एटलीस्ट उसको रीबटल कर सकूँ. तो I went for the user ID. So his user ID was like Abhay is annoyed. So I was like, your username must be Abhay is annoying. Then I remember कि, like, you know, the only way that I marketed my podcast, which is a very wrong move, was Snapchat. Like, you know, at first I had 35 followers. I don't know how come it increased to 45 followers. And I mean subscribers. Okay. हाँ तो क्या बोल रही थी मैं. हाँ, and then now I'm starting to feel like, you know, ये जो बंदा है, there are chances that he might be from Snapchat too. Then that, like, you know, the beautiful illusion that I was in कि my podcast is reaching out to the audience other naturally, like, you know, organically, without me doing any marketing tricks, and they are taking effort to put a hate comment. That is signs that I'm going to become famous. And if you want to send any gift on my birthday, I have a list, so get in touch with me. And mostly it will be protein powder. Yes, protein powder. Protein. Yeah, but I would also like some supplements other than protein. Yeah, that's right. Bro, it's so humid, man. There's not even a single cloud in the sky. This is the disadvantage of not putting on your specs. You can't see people if they're watching you. You can't see things also, like, you know. Yeah, but it's an advantage also. You can't see anything, so you you can be in that beautiful representation of ignorance is a bliss wala mode. Okay. Do you guys want mehendi? I don't know when my mom will chop off all this mehendi ka jhad. No, I'm not saying, okay, if this is a negative talk for you, I'm gonna go there and talk. Because plants do absorb what we are saying, right? So there was this plant, which was obviously a karel. No, it was like pomegranate one. So मैंने सारे तरीके के talk उससे कराया, कुछ नहीं हुआ. Maybe it's deaf. Who knows? What? Do plants have impairments? Like human impairments? Like ऐसे कुछ part उनकी खराब है. How will they get treated? I mean, I've heard that if one tree is unable to do something, the other roots will, like, you know, ऐसे Bluetooth से connect होके they'll help each other out. Okay, hot take. But I feel like, you know, all the others, I know this doesn't make any sense, but it, like, you know, in the like, you know, we listen and we don't judge wala thing, man. This is something like, you know, whenever you start a sentence with this premise, you always, like, you know, think first. Before even thinking, you'll judge first. That's why you gotta come up with good premises, you know. So don't you guys have this thing कि हर एक रोज तुम your brain just chooses one of the songs or like any random piece of musical stuff and that will be playing in your mind throughout the day. वो वो टैब खुला ही है आपके विंडोज में. There's no moon as usually. I think वो कुछ ऐसे बिल्डिंग्स के पीछे छिपा है, so I can't see. My ambition is high but not my building. Yeah guys. Yeah, I just realized कि after Earth, yeah, after Earth has commented, because her name literally translates to Earth. Yeah, and my English lecturer used to call her what is her name, like Earth, like she just used she literally calls her Earth. So after Earth commented that, now you are welcome to guessing game of what was her real name is, but it's very tough. You can't win in Pariyaya Padam. Yeah, I'm not even going to describe what that is. You all the best. So and I became conscious that oh fuck, all my friends like all so my brother taught me an important definition that not everyone is your friend, Nikki la. Because I realized that my brother don't call me with my nickname or something. He just calls me Nikhila straight or Pichidana. Yeah, there is no. We work in extremes, guys. So not everyone is your friend, Nikhila. Some are your acquaintances, some are your batchmates, some are your just just some strangers just passing out. You can't claim everyone as your friend. I respectfully agree that. I was why not? तो but ऐसा पोर्शन नहीं बढ़ा रहे हो तुम. Like देखो, I do agree that yeah, not everything is friendship and some are just acquaintances, some are just a stranger, but on that particular thing you just connected and you're just back to respect your respective lives. But so what am I saying? So I was saying that बट ऐसे भूल दो ना फ्रेंड है उधर बैठ के तुम क्या एनालिसिस कर रहे हो अपनी रिलेशनशिप की. मैं एवेल्यूएशन में ये बता सकती हूँ कि तू पागल है, तू मत कर, लेकिन वो फ्रेंड बोल दे. बट या as subconscious mind is very you think your subconscious mind don't work, it works. Trust me, when you keep repeating on saying something when you keep repeating some excuses I've मेरी कज़न बहुत एक्सक्यूज़ देता है अगर ये कर वो उसको भी पता है वो रॉन्ग किया, बट ही नेवर एक्सेप्ट्स द वन हु वेंट टू द हॉस्टल नाउ, आई मीन हु इज़ इन हॉस्टल नाउ. So he never accepts. So he always comes up with excuses basically वो उसकी बहन की झूठा गाता है. और हाँ, मैं तो किसी की झूठा नहीं गाती हूँ, मैं तो सिर्फ अपनी झूठा गाती हूँ, अपनी खुद की भी नहीं. I wash after everybody I wash my spoon. I'm like, okay, wait. So yeah, so instead of saying कि मुझे नहीं खाना तेरी झूठा, he keeps he keeps saying कि अगर मैं वैसा खाया तो मेरी throat burn होती है, मेरी throat burn. If he keep on saying that thing, his brain will automatically wired कि हाँ मुझे ये करा तो ये cause है तो ये मेरी effect है करके. Yeah, welcome to the TEDx Talks with Nikki. And I hate it when people be like, N-I-K-K-I. Bitch is N-I-K-K-Y. Not because of aesthetics, but because I like it like that. मुझे I पसंद नहीं है. नहीं. The pronunciation also is Nikki. It's like, but with a Y it is like Nikki. Like E. The pronunciation is E. Not the I. I'm just making up any stuff, but still I like it like that. 'Cause I like you like that. I got Dallas, I got those Balenciagas, the one that look like socks. I got tenant. I'm so what's up? What's going on with you? जब से मैं इस बात कर रही हूँ तुम बात नहीं करोगे क्या? Yeah. I think the second episode. Yo, trust me, like, I always used to think that nothing affects me that much that it makes me cry or makes me affect so much that I can change my whole mood or something like that. So something happened. Someone says something happened. And I didn't, like, the ride back home from there. And I was like, I was listening to songs. It was like damn playlist. I like, मैं इतना अच्छे गाना क्यों में लगाया कि like, someone hire me as that. I'd do mad job. Okay. Like, एक diversification के लिए, एक vibing के लिए, और एक like, you get that like, dichuk feeling that के लिए. You hire me, bro. You are covered like insurance. I mean, you get covered like insurance. I just realized covered में like, COWARD like a coward बोल रही. Covered, not coward, like covered. Okay, wait. So yeah, but I was constantly in my background. I was just I was just coming up with jokes about that. I was just coming up with like, हाँ मुझे क्या, मैं तो memes बना रही थी मैं, और because it is, I just realized that that is my coping mechanism, and तो that was just keeping happening. तो मैं घर आई, मैंने ऐसे चाबी लगाई. So about when I'm home, like, my mom always complains that how loud I am. Like, it's that I'm home. Okay, I make some or the other sound, or I just like, burst out, or like, I do something or the other thing. So I was very quiet, and like, after some time both my parents forced me to like, kya hua, like, say, and I didn't, like, I don't know कि मेरी मुँह ऐसा है कि I was about to cry, but I was like, within, I couldn't sense anything. I was like, very chill. I was very chill. But as soon as I started saying about that, after like, they persuaded for a long time, they cajoled, cajole. Yeah, this is something. You're learning words, bro. You're like, you should at this point, you should like, literally like, like I should start a show with this. Yeah. And there are like, just people who are just listening to me. That sounds like a stand-up. Yeah. Oh shit. Why is everyone using that terrace today, man? सारे जन यूज़ कर रहे हैं. अभी यार, the hidden gem is not hidden anymore. So, but as soon as I started saying it out, I was just crying. Very surprised. I was like, मुझे like, रोना नहीं आ रहा था. I was very surprised. I was like, what? Maybe all the things that I've ever learned about myself are not that real. It was just narrative fallacy because of lack of information and legitimacy about what am I feeling. I don't know. I never got not diagnosed with something is wrong. I was like very surprised that wow, I cried for that. Really? I don't know, maybe like, I don't think it affected me that much, but damn, it made me cry. Can you, like, for me, if something is making me cry, it's like, it's a pile up emotion only. Like, after like the last time that I cried was for this only, but before that, when was the last time? I think like, several months ago, minimum 7 to 8 months ago. Yeah, man, I was very surprised of myself. I was like, हैं ऐसे भी हो सकता है तुझे? So from then I was like, you know what, all the things that I've learned about myself, I should unlearn them. Like all the conclusions that I reached about myself, I should these are not conclusions at all. And subconscious mind is real. So make sure, the things that you keep on repeating to yourself, they are not true. But by repeating so much, you will begin to think that's true, and your mind will be too. Yeah, I know. This was supposed to be a crazy podcast, a dose out of your reality, but anyways, you have it. I got those Balenciagas. It's 1 hour, man. I think the last one was just me talking about weather, skies, clouds, and just me fearing that my mom will. Yeah, but आज मेरी mom नहीं है. Chill, she's just out in her mother's place. मुझे पानी चाहिए. I started taking creatine. Let's go, but I feel like I got scammed. Wait. Let me rephrase myself. Why I think I got scammed? It is from Optimum Nutrition only, and so the Optimum Nutrition sponsored me, man. So but वो जो डब्बा खोली मैं, white powder, I mean like वो talcum powder, exactly like Dermicool. If I put Dermicool and creatine of that monohydrate, you can't say the difference only. Because all this time, I mean, I've taken it for 3 times or something. So, including today, it's like 4th time or something. It is 4th, exactly 4th time. So, वो ना मैं 1 liter की पानी में मिला के पी रही थी. I mean, it said keep hydrated. So, but today I tried it with a little amount of water. क्या बोलते, adequate amount of hot water, and then it didn't. I couldn't process the taste of it, bro. By the taste, I decided that I'll make a reel out of it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I got a banger idea. It's not a banger idea, but I'm I'm trying to edit that. So I was I sat down. I was I wrote what I want to include, what are the video elements that I want to include, what are the dialogues that I want to do, or what are the format that I want to do. So yeah, paper in my pocket, and that fuel inside my rocket, blast off. If my mom was here, she would have shouted twice just to ask you, what do you eat for dinner? She's gonna call again tomorrow morning. Bro, I'll tell you something. I was such a good kid. Even my mom said good girl twice. Good girl twice from my mom. From a typical mom. Indian mom. That too, a Telugu mom. Petti uttale. Like, you should be so lucky. Because मैं कभी सुबह उठती तो I will good girl है no. I go to my mom and be like, good girl है no. Because after I'm like, I don't have that much of energy when I had when I was 10. I know I'm 22, but I keep talking like a 40-year-old. But it is what it is. Bro, I look back my photos. Oh my god, I'm so glad that I lost those face features. I'm so glad. No, I was very, very chunky as a baby, very cute, very fucking cute, very adorable, just so you see that girl, you be like, oh my god, I just want to squish her. You just like, she was she was she was so good. It was like, they put yeast in that, but baking soda थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, but she is so good. But उसके बाद भी लेकिन थोड़े ages तक लेकिन okay, cute, okay, baby, like toddler, okay. Oh my god, like 5 years old. Oh yeah, 5 years, 6 years. Wait, what? When did I even look ugly then? There was like some years between my क्या बोलते secondary school and primary school timelines. That was like, damn, I don't want those face. I'm so glad. I like the face that I have right now. I'm so glad. What? And you know this fact, like, when your face starts to look older in your younger age, na, that face keeps, like, that face is frozen like that. I like that. मुझे वो feature चाहिए. I will unlock that feature. Do I have any tea to spill? Sadly, I don't have any tea to spill. Nah. Yeah, I was like, I woke up very early in the morning. Like, I set up alarm at 6 o'clock. I'm up by 6:04. And then, like, if you want to wake up very early at the time that you've intended, my trick is that get away from your bed. If you have a terrace, go. If you have a balcony, go. If you have, like, a veranda or a lawn or something which is away from, or like even a hall hall will do, like, but still, like, hall have sofas and resting areas, so nahi, go to the place where you can't sit, where you can't stand, so it is like, inevitable that you wake up and be like active there. So that's what I do. Like, I straight away like, go to terrace and I just, like, process. And then I, like, I'm doing the artist way workbook. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about the artist way fully once I'm done with that book. Or yeah, that thing, like, I want it to be my journey. Like, I don't wanna, like, so this is what about me. Even if I'm in a relationship, I don't think I'll talk about it in the podcast, and you would know no difference in the podcast. You would think, like, yeah, ये तो, like, तुम्हें लगता कि कोई difference ही नहीं है. तो yeah, because I'll be very private about it, because it's a very intimate thing, like, this work. I know I'm comparing relationships, like, even about my family or anything. If it's a mean kind of thing, then I'll try to relate, and you don't know how much that is true or not. But for the joke purposes, I feel like my whole life is a stand-up comedy performance. This baby is crying and the mother is just busy in gossip, man. Can't she listen? So frustrating. I'm this close to just yell at auntie ki, like, auntie जाना है यार ऊपर. But this is like, 2 buildings away from me. So what I was saying that is, yeah. So yeah, I wanted, once it's done, then of course, like, after you're done with the book, that is then comes the intimate part of discussing it. Same with the movie. I think I've like, I think I discussed about the artist way in the previous episode also, about, like, I'm doing artist way ये करके. If you're interested, go buy yourself a workbook. But उसमें लिखा हुआ था, so there's this artist way book and also the artist way workbook. Okay, so it is like a 12-week thing where you kind of like rediscover yourself and yeah, something like that. as an artist. Okay, or like she have the premise of artist, but I feel like it can be applicable for a normal human without any creativity also. Okay, I'm like talking about you, I'm making you inclusive. Okay, I'm not talking about myself. Okay. So and but जब मैं फर्स्ट वीक की टास्क पढ़ रही थी आई वॉज वेरी कन्फ्यूज बिकॉज लाइक they were like some inferences from the book itself, but I just bought the workbook. Then I thought, oh my god, did I wasted my money? This is like typical like finance mentality, that did my investment gone in vain? But then I was like then I got clarified from some blogs and ChatGPT that like ye karke. And I thought, oh okay. Then I reread them today. So as soon as I wake up, I did that, and after that I worked out and I took a bath, and then like I took a chavala nap of 3 hours. Because I was so sleepy. I was up at like 6 o'clock, and I think I slept around like 11 to 12 time, like वो gap में. तो of course मुझे like नींद आ रहा था, बहुत अच्छा वाला नींद था. I gave 5-star rating to that. तो yeah, and then somehow like my cheat day is tomorrow, but I realized something. What if I lose the ability of eating, man? पागल हो गए तुम लोग? I do get it. You have to eat in a decent amount, like portions, meal portions, and it should have fiber and protein a lot, other than carbs or fats, cholesterol, and all of that. But I was like, what if I totally relate with Joey now, like the Joey Tribbiani from Friends. अबे ये गधी आंटी इसको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा क्या? The baby is alone, man. Oh my god. What if the baby falls down from the bed? I can hear the baby cry from there to here. I'm so pissed off. Should I just say the auntie? Because she's crying. Now finally she's going. और ये जो और एक आंटी है इसको भी सुनाई नहीं दे रही क्या? Finally. What's my dad's doing? I think my dad will sleep. My dad will probably eat and sleep. This is the first day in a week that I haven't studied and I haven't ate junk. So it kind of feels like although I'm taking rest, I'm not guilty कि like हाँ मैं rest ले रही. Oh shit man, I'm resting. Oh my god and all करके. This is what working hard and reaping a rest day means. Although it is supposed to be tomorrow, but anyways. Okay, should I end it? 1 hour 13 minutes. I'm gonna do 1 hour 30 minutes for sure. I'm just walking. But this is I'm gonna miss this walking once it's rainy season. I don't like rainy season. Like in the Notebook movie, she was like, "Who don't like rain? Me, Akka, me. I don't like rain, Akka. Why you ask me? Good question. First of all, I can't go outside. Although I won't go outside, but I'll go outside sometimes. And like अब तो like वो access ही नहीं रहेगी. और like I hate stepping. Like I hate getting my footwear dirty. Like I'm very selective ADHD बोल रही हूँ. Very selective OCD. Like if like if even if like my mom have this habit of like, whenever she serves the meal or rice or like anything, she keeps like, वो थोड़े crumbs bits है वो सा like, curry थोड़ा spill हो जाता है. My whole concentration is on that, so I make sure कि पहले मैं clean कर रही मैं and then I'm continue eating. Okay, so so if I'm like, so if it is right in front of my eyes, I can't. So my shoes are like that, right? So if my shoes get even a little bit dirty, my whole concentration will be on that shoes. Yeah, like, it's very awkward moments, I'll tell you. Like, I used to have this friend, okay? So she have kind of like bad breath sometimes. My nasal factors are very active. Sorry about that. But मुझे like, मुझे smells बहुत easily आ जाता है. But बहन जो गंदे smells easily, like, I realize कि बहुत गंदे smells ज़्यादा होते हैं और अच्छे smells बहुत rare होते हैं मेरी around. तो she used to have this bad breath and I used to just keep backing. Oh yeah, I mean like ha ha ha. And I used to just keep walk like, keep क्या बोलते maintain distance from her. But somehow like, she just moves closer. I was like अबे यार इसको कैसे बताओ? What do you do in those situations, man? And like, if she has something on her teeth, I would see it. So later I can say that is for your good. Like, the people will be like, thank you so much that you have done that. But nahi hota. Mostly like, I'm just concentrating on that point कि अबे यार, so annoying. And like, मेरे पास अगर कुछ कोल्ड है मेरे घर में तो मैं स्ट्रिक्टली बोल देती हूँ, लेकिन तुम्हें अगर कोल्ड है तो मेरे से दूर रहो. एंड एवरीवन is quite sweet and they will be like, in their own little what do you say, lockdown में रहते हैं, तो that is fine. At home, okay, I can say like, they themselves follow that like, being उसको कुछ बोलते थे कोविड के टाइम्स में, उसको क्या बोलता है, लॉकडाउन ही तो बोलता है नहीं, या like keep separated from the family, yeah. तो लेकिन खुद के रूम में रहते हैं, it's very fine. Okay, so once there was this girl, okay, and we were in a lab. It was a 7 a.m. class, and I think it was like tally or something. Yeah, it was tally. So, but she had cold. She had like full blast on cold. If it wasn't for the course, she would have taken rest. But I get it. Same situation again. But here I can't say kya, please keep away, because I feel like मुझे हच्चू बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है. Even when I wake up, I get 2-3 hachus. I know sneezes. But I can't say like, you have cold, please stay away from me. Please maintain some social distance from me. But eventually I'm like, you know what, I'm very sensitive to cold. So, but she got so fucking offended. I think from that day she just stopped hanging out with me. I'm like, what? Yeah, like, that is why it's so high. See, like, yeah. Even if my mom have fever or any of my household have fever, next day I'll be in that bed instantly. I'm very surprised that my body was like, so brave during COVID that मेरे कुछ भी symptoms नहीं थे. I was very strong. Oh my God. पता नहीं भाई. Why you don't like rain? This is the second reason, that I get cold. I get hachu all day. I got cold in summer also. I was just making fun of my mom ki, like, only Bakas will get cold in summer. And then next day she was like, you said something yesterday. I was like, damn. I got so humbled. I was humbled very quick. That was very quick, God. That was like, karma is a bee. paper in my pocket, and I got fuel inside my rocket. Wait, where's my dad's? Yeah, there. School started, man. School started. You don't go to school? Okay, we are back in the guessing game. Is it pregnant or is it... Wait, it looked like a normal lizard. Oh my god. It can't see me because they don't have the front vision. But if I get into its vision, like... Okay, it's brave. Okay, let's have conclusion points, I guess. I have 10 minutes to give, so. What's up? Yeah. भाई मैंने like you know man I was like back of my brother की like you know तेरी friend को बोल की like you know I mean तेरा friend को बोल की like you know गिटार वापस देने के लिए मैं गिटार सीखूंगी. I'll be the India's next big sensational singer. और मैं क्या like you know just like the Kendrick Lamar's rap, I learn only one chord. And it's probably E minor. I just learned that one chord. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. What I'm gonna do? Now that I have so much free time, I don't know what to do. If my mom was here, it would be very like no, मुझे इतने time ना लेनी चाहिए like you know. Oh my god, my mom runs in my background tab. You know what we do when our mom is not at home? We sleep. I know it's like you know our standards are very low, but we just sleep. We just want it peaceful and no like you know I pinda. I don't want that sentence like you know like, she don't understand the concept of power naps. When I talk about nap, like you know nap should be nap. It should not be a whole ass coma of like 3 hours. I'm like you know that's very true. That's a good point. Being a debutante, I really respect that. But I have a rebuttal, and she just kick in my buttocks. That's it. And I'll be like, you know, that's a good rebuttal too. Oh, अर्जुन बहुत like you know aggressive. वो बहुत aggressive cutie pie है. तो like you know he just charges at people. But वो like you know उसकी like you know पूरी he's just so excited man. That's it. अबे यार अंदर चले गया. अबे यार I should have walked this side. मैं ये side walk करती तो मुझे दिखाई देता था अर्जुन. I could have get my Arjun dose. He's just like he do nothing. Trust me, nothing. Well, like you know maximum like you know he just aggressively sniff. And then he'll be like, you know, calling it. Pura be like, you know, pura say, like, you know, other dogs do like, you know, whole ass sniffing. But Arjun is like, you know, ek sniff and then khatam. Ye mal acha nahi hai. And he just like, you know, goes away. Oh my god. He was just hopping like a bunny. Oh. I realized कि like अगर मेरी खुद की dog होती थी, there's this feeling ना कि you know अगर मेरी dog होती थी करके. But I realized कि like नहीं चाहिए. It's just like kids वाला like मुझे नहीं चाहिए like I'm saying oh my god as long they are not my kids and my dogs, they're cute, adorable, very friendly, eco-friendly, wait what I need pani. 13% battery. 9:28. I think it's 16 June. Oh my god, it's 16 June, man. Okay. And tomorrow's gonna be hair bath day. Why? Because I just oil, like, simple. You oil your hair a night before and then you bath the next day. If you are saying that, oh my god, no, you should at least, like, you should just wash it so immediately so that the dust and I'm like, shut up. Overnight oiling, that's it. My hair needs some moisture. It needs some moisture. My body don't need that. I mean, my body needs it. My body don't need humidity, but my body needs humility. Litty. People will, like, they'll be mixing espresso and milk and be like, oh my god, it's latte. Latte तेरी लग जाएंगे. It's literally, people will be like, it's a chai tea. I'm like, you're both like dumb ass bitches. All the coffee culture. But, do you want me to say about agriculture income when it comes to, like, the portion between agriculture income and business income? Like, if you are growing and manufacturing any coffee products, you want me to say that? Do you want me to say that? I don't think you want me to say that. Paper in my pocket, and the feelings on my rocket. Damn, she is time. Oh, what happened? Paper. Yeah, I only remember the tune. I don't remember the lyrics. Bro, I just wanna go to China because, like, यार उधर कितने fit रहते हैं. तो I asked, I am not gonna share my workout with you guys because it's so perfect. Yes, I will gatekeep this. So there was this Tai Chi moment. I was like, so good. It's so good. और मुझे लगा कि अभी यार मुझे authentically सीखना है. किसी Shaolin Temple बनना है. Have you guys watched Shaolin Temple or Shaolin Soccer? Or there is this another movie which is like एक रबर अंकल रहता है और एक लाउड से चलाने वाली आंटी रहती है और एक दो जने ऐसे गिटार में बैठ के ऐसे स्पाइक्स फेंकते हैं क्या. And then there is this another movie. I used to see this movie around 11 to 12 o'clock in HBO or something. When I was in 5th class or 6th class, and it used to be so fun because there was no concept of subtitles then. And I was like, हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा पर I mean we don't know the language but we are understanding it 100%. Man, अब तो मुझे तेलुगु मूवीज को भी सबटाइटल्स चाहिए. Yes, no daddy. Let me just sit down. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay. It's 9:32. Oh, I got 2 minutes. I basically got 1.5 minutes. So, I will upload this also. And I don't even have enough charging and I don't even have enough things to watch. Like, मुझे नहीं watch करनी है. मुझे बिल्कुल watch नहीं करनी है Instagram. So I don't have. I was watching Simple Ken, the 2 types of people one, yesterday and today. Now I ran out of that too. So I basically don't have anything to watch. So, what should I do? Okay. I spotted a Billo Rani. So why do I feel like every other species other than humans I just like they just exist in one gender which is like male. मुझे लगता है ये सारे लोग मेल ही है, फीमेल लेकिन फीमेल कुछ फेमिनिन एनर्जी कुछ देता ही नहीं. Let me think on that. Yes, this will be a nice ending note, I guess. Paper in my pocket. If you guys miss me too much, Substack. Let's see if you can find my. It is like my ID is very findable because. चल भैंजो. Substack? Oh my god. Wait, is this real Shruti Hassan? Yeah, it is because she's promoting. Okay. I think I'm gonna check all of her posts. Paper in my pocket, another fuel inside my rocket blaster. खुद की लाइक करी, wow. And very funny that Shruti Hassan has 727 subscribers. This is what I like about Substack. No one is famous here, even the famous people outside. Sometimes you turn around really fast and run right into yourself. It's alarming, no doubt. It's also the best thing to happen. But verification क्या है? कि ये वही है. I just hope my neighbors can't listen. Even Shashi Tharoor have. I mean, obviously Shashi Tharoor have Substack. Addu. Arundhati Roy. Nona Uppal. What is Uppal? Uppal is a place. I just wanna be part of your symphony. सर मुझे नौजिया आ रही है स्क्रॉल करते करते और let me end this podcast with a very beautiful, more like remixed poem that I wrote. Roses are red. वावा करना okay हर एक लाइन के बाद. Okay, I'm like I'm trusting you on vavas. Okay, roses are red. Say na vava. Violets are blue. They say roses are red and violets are not blue. If you don't know colors, slap your Take number 2. Roses are red, violets are not blue. If you don't know colors, slap yourself with shoe. On that note, good night. It's been a lovely Tuesday, and I'll meet you. I don't know when, but I surely will meet you. In that note, in midst of all this chaos and noise, I hope that you find peace. And when I say peace, I mean paneer mudder masala, and because you gotta get that protein, and you're a vegetarian because I'm a vegetarian. Yes, that's how it works. Don't question the system. You just get out of it. No, I'm. Shh. Even I don't know what I'm talking about. So, anyways, amidst of this bike noises and all of the noises in the typical neighborhood, I bid you a bit abidu bidadu. What was it? I can't remember. But anyways, you got the point. So, bye bye. Oh shit. Why do I make eye contact with people on road? Exactly, that's my point too. He agreed by honking twice. And 9:39, I'm way out. अबे यार मैं क्या करूँ तो what am I supposed to do now? I feel so jiddu because I chumpified myself. What does this dabbas do? The white dabbas that hang in, like, in the middle of the wires. Are they like resistance or something? Everybody join the resistance. Oh. These are like 2014 Pinterest wale jokes. Oh shit, man. I ordered something in Amazon. I ordered a study table. Yes. Which is like, if you have like, breakfast in bed wala table hai wo, which I'm gonna use for studies. Yeah, that's how Jugaad works. I realize that I have equipments at home, but I don't have enough places to hang them on. Like, I have a resistant band at home, but I can't hook it up to anything because I don't know which will break. So I realize, like, the next day I'm like, I'm humble कि भाई सिर्फ होम वर्कआउट दिखा, मेरे पास और कुछ नहीं है. I'm making you guys strong. Like, if you can concentrate on my voice and not the noise, congratulations. You have more focus than 97 people, 97% people on this app. Yes, that's how I substantiate the Abe Kon Adnan. Last time Ayan, this time Adnan. Next what? Afnan. और क्या आ सकता है? बटर नान, बटर चिकन नान, बटर मसाला नान, पनीर बटर मसाला नान. On that jokes of naans, none of your business. Yeah, I can keep going on and on. You wanna do this, bro? No, I don't wanna do it. Even if you wanna do it, okay, I'm out. I'm in the shark. We say out. In the short terms, I don't know what I'm saying, but it's a bitch spider crawled up the water spout. Down came the rain, and this is one of the reasons that I don't like rains. In the defense of spiders, I don't like rains. It's because it's a bitch spider crawled up the water spout, and down came the rain and washed the spider out, and out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the it's a bitch spider crawled up the spout again. But I feel like, if rain happened in the night times, very beautiful. तब तो लेकिन ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है कि लेकिन तुम उठो और लेकिन बाहर जाओ, तो लेकिन already it would have dried throughout the night. Yeah, the last time in 2008 or something, this happened. Like, the rain was around, like, in the midnight, and I remember the whole entire ground floor was filled with water. Although Hyderabad is a Deccan Plateau, I had too much trust in that, but in 2008 it defeated that purpose. I was like, bro, you're supposed to not bring all of this water. Whole ground floor, 3 times. I think twice. And you can't even explain these damages. Like, you can't even, like, अगर ज़्यादा damage हुआ तो at least you will get some or the other what is that? Like, whatever, like, you'll receive financial support, okay? But when it is like concessions and all of that, not even concession, what is that? Okay, it's financial support. But it's like, when it's like these things, how do you even receive anything? This is what, like, when you're falling from a top building, if you have fallen to the ground, सारे बोन्स टूट गए पर तुम नहीं मर गए. इमेजिन द पेन इन दैट. मुझे नहीं चाहिए वैसे. मैं मर ही जाऊँ उससे अच्छा. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I want Modoku. So there is this book which is like, Sudoku, but with the murder puzzles, and you have to solve it. Oh, so those are my kind of books. Give me that. I want a Modoku. Yeah. चाहिए मुझे वो. I'm gonna buy it. After the artist way finishes, I'm gonna convince my mom and buy it. Yes. Or I can buy myself. But it's like, even if I buy myself, my mom will like, ये क्या ज़रूरत है इसके लिए. I can never make her understand about certain things. It's like, she feels like, ये तो like, तुम्हारे like, नहीं यार. All study and no play makes Jack a dull boy. तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आता ये सारी सब बातें. And then वो मुझे समझाती with a थप्पड़. Yes. थप्पड़ game still strong. Yay. I realized कि लेकिन जो भी tactics में मेरी mom को बता रही ना कि लेकिन when brother after a certain age boys go out of your parents hand, that is given. So जो भी मैं tactics उन्हें सिखाती हूँ वो सारे मेरे पे ही अप्लाई करते हैं. Like she just apply all the tactics to me. So now I'm like, whenever she bitch about my brother, I'm like, yes. I'm like, you deal with you, bro. I'm not even gonna give you even one suggestion कि मेरे पे backfire करते हैं. Yeah. On that note, I'm gonna bid adieu. Yes, bid adieu. Bye bye. Ta ta. Ta ta. Ta 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 ta.